What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Burwood for Burwood vlog part number 2 in request for James the Trainer. A Waratah just passed. At the moment there's not too much activity here, but I will get a good amount of trains anyway. It's not like they run every half an hour. Waratah A7. Who would have thought there was a Waratah running down here? Jeez. I'm joking, it's like almost all that runs down here. But in this vlog I'll try to get a big enough variety for you guys, instead of just plain Waratahs. Got a C set. Arriving into platform number 6. First half is C5. I'll get the rear half in a second if there's a set plate. The rear car is C3586. Rear half is C1. Waratah A16 arriving into platform number 4. S46. S91. Also A16's departing, platform number 4. The S sets just went past platform number 6. Waratah A35 passing platform number 5. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you would like to, and favourite this video, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.